In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Drive folder to another folder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to relocate a folder inside Google Drive using the built-in move option, and you'll understand what to expect as you make the change. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Drive. You can search for Google Drive or go directly to drive.google.com. When you see the Google sign-in prompt, click it and sign in with your Google account to access your files. Once Drive loads, look to the left sidebar and click Home. Home gives you quick access to your recent and suggested items, and the move controls you need are available right from here. Find the folder you want to move. Click it once to select it so that the controls become available. Now open the More Actions menu by clicking the three dots. This menu is where Drive keeps the options for organizing and managing your items. From that menu, choose Organize. Think of Organize as the doorway to changing where your folder lives. Next, click Move. This opens the destination picker, which shows your current drive structure and lets you choose exactly where the folder should go. Take a moment to browse to the new parent folder where you want your folder to live. When you see the correct destination, click that folder to open it so you're placing your folder in the right spot. At the top of the picker, you'll see the breadcrumb path, which helps you confirm you're in the correct location. If you need to step back, use the back arrow until you're looking at the right level. With the destination selected, click Move to confirm. Drive will relocate the folder and everything inside it to the folder you chose. The move usually completes quickly, and you'll see the location update immediately. If you're moving a larger folder, allow a moment for Drive to finish processing. A few quick notes to keep you confident. Moving a folder changes its location, not its content. File names and structure stay intact. Sharing settings typically stay the same as well, unless the destination has stricter rules, such as in certain shared environments. If you don't see the move option, it could mean you don't have permission to move that folder. In that case, contact the owner or check your access level. And if you place it in the wrong spot, you can simply repeat these same steps to move it again. That's it. You've successfully moved a Google Drive folder into another folder using Organize and Move.